Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing around the health community. Can apple cider vinegar really help reduce ovarian cysts? Let's unpack this together. So, what exactly are ovarian cysts? Simply put, they're fluid-filled sacs that can form on the ovaries. Most of the time, they're harmless and disappear on their own, but sometimes they can cause discomfort and other issues. Now, onto the star of today's show, apple cider vinegar, or ACV, as it's commonly known. ACV is celebrated for its potential health benefits, ranging from improved digestion to better skin health. But can it really impact ovarian cysts? Here's the scoop. Some believe that ACV's high levels of acetic acid can help dissolve the cysts, reducing their size and alleviating discomfort. Sounds promising, right? But let's look at the evidence. Currently, scientific studies directly linking ACV with reduced ovarian cysts are limited. Most of the claims are anecdotal. Many women have shared personal stories about how incorporating ACV into their daily routine helped them manage the symptoms associated with ovarian cysts. How do they use it, you might wonder? Well, typically it's diluted with water, about a tablespoon of ACV in a large glass of water once or twice a day. Remember, it's crucial to dilute it, as ACV is highly acidic and can harm your teeth and stomach lining if taken in its concentrated form. But before you rush to your pantry, a word of caution. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment, especially if you have existing health conditions. What works for one person might not work for another, and it's essential to approach health treatments with careful consideration. So, while the jury is still out on the definitive effects of ACV on ovarian cysts, exploring natural remedies is all about gathering information and making informed choices. If you're considering trying ACV, chat with your doctor to see if it's a safe option for you. That's all for today. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Stay informed and take care of your health. It's your most valuable asset. See you in the next video.